Laos is incredible. Between the waterfalls, mountains, and nature, this place has it all. The Kuang Si Waterfalls were only 45 minutes away from us in Luang Prabang, so we rented a scooter and went on our way. The countryside is beautiful here. The roads are really smooth as well, so it makes for a nice ride. It's a bear! In the tree! The entrance to the waterfall is just a few dollars, but it includes this moon bear sanctuary with adult bears and adolescents and some babies, and they're so cute. So for the cost of the entrance, you get also to see these amazing creatures. Oh, you're so cute. So once you're there, you can walk along this trail, and there's a series of pools and waterfalls. You can walk up as far as you want, and a lot of people kind of stop where you can swim, because you can't swim at the very top one, which is unfortunate, but it is still so amazing and pristine. After we had our fill of views from the very top, we hiked back down a little ways and decided to swim in the pools. This was the first cool water we had felt in all of Asia. Everything, the ocean, all the water is generally really warm there, so this was really cool, and it was really nice to be refreshed when you jump in and not overheating still in the water. This is every mermaid's dream here, so if you're in the area, I highly recommend visiting. We had a blast, and I know you will too. there's more to Laos than just these waterfalls. If you'd like to follow along, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, show some love, and keep the adventures rolling. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers to you all and happy travels.